So hello friends and welcome back to my channel Vansh Aswal. In this session, we will cover the most important general knowledge questions related to the state of Madhya Pradesh. Friends, these questions are asked in most MP competitive exams. Please like the video and hit the subscribe button for more GK sessions. Alright friends, that's all and let's get started. Alright friends, our first question is, when was Madhya Pradesh formed? Answer is 1st November 1956. Second question, who was the last ruler of Madhya Pradesh? Answer is Yashwantrao Holkar II. Third question, who was the first CM of Madhya Pradesh? Correct option is MP Shri Ravi Shankar Shukla. Fourth question, which place in Madhya Pradesh is known for Festival of Dances? And the correct option is Khajuraho. Fifth question, which district of Madhya Pradesh is famous for its manganese ore? Right option is Balaghat. Sixth question, which state share longest border with Madhya Pradesh? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Seventh question, the Lakshmi National Institute of Physical Education is located in which district of Madhya Pradesh? Right option is Gwalior. Eighth question, how many Jyotirling are present in Madhya Pradesh? Right option is 2. Next important question, Kyoti waterfall is situated on which river? Correct option is Mahana. 10th question, who among the following is known to establish Indore Gharana? Answer is Ustad Amir Khan. 11th question, which place of MP is known to be capital city of famous king Kartavirya Arjun? Right option is Maheshwar. 12th question, which of the following district of Madhya Pradesh is famous for Gotmar Mela? Right option is Chhindwara. 13th question, Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following cities of MP? Correct option is Mandsaur. Question number 14, how many stations of All India Radio are present in Madhya Pradesh? Right option is 5. 15th question, All India Radio services in MP started from which city? The right option is Indore. 16th question, which is the first Hydel Power Project to come under operation from MP government? Answer is Gandhi Sagar. Next question, which Hydel Power Project built by MP state government has maximum power generation capacity in MP? Answer is Bansagar. 18th question, famous Sabalgarh Fort is situated in which district of MP? Right option is Morena. 19th question. Which of the following is called energy capital of MP? Answer is Singrauli. 20th question. Which of the following rivers do not originate in MP? Right option is Banas. 21st question. Which place of Madhya Pradesh is called Detroit of Madhya Pradesh? Correct option is Pithampur. 22nd question. Which district of Madhya Pradesh has two higher institute of education IIT and IIM? Answer is Indore. Question number 23. Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research is located at which place of Madhya Pradesh? The correct option is Bhopal. Question number 24. How many central universities are present in Madhya Pradesh? Right option is 2. Question number 25. Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya is located at which place of Madhya Pradesh? Answer is Gwalior. Question number 26. The Bhartari folk song is mainly sung in which region of Madhya Pradesh? Right option is Malwa. Question number 27. Which among the following is the state tree of MP? Right option is banyan tree. Question number 28. Which district of Madhya Pradesh is called the land of white tiger? The right option is Rewa district. Question number 29. Which of the following dialect is not native to Madhya Pradesh? Answer is Maithili. Question number 30. City of Ujjain is situated on the bank of which river? Answer is Narmada. Next question. Bhedaghat, a popular tourist destination site, is located in which district of MP? Correct option is Jabalpur. Question number 32. Which is the longest dam built in Madhya Pradesh? Answer is Bargi Dam. Next question. Madhikheda Dam is built on which river of MP? Answer is Sindh River. Question number 34. Which is the largest district of MP in terms of area? Answer is Chhindwara. Question number 35. Which of the following is the highest peak of MP? Answer is Dhupgarh. Question number 36. Which place of Madhya Pradesh is famous for its newsprint paper mill? Answer is Nepanagar. Question number 37. Currency note press CNP of SPMCIL is located at which place in MP? Answer is Devas. 30th question. Bavangaja Kulgiri is an important Jain pilgrimage center located at which district of MP? Answer is Barwani. Question number 39. Which district of MP is known as Paris of Neymar? Answer is Barwani. 40th question. Which of the following two district of MP borders Gujarat state? Answer is Alirajpur and Jhabua. Question number 41. Which district of MP has the highest literacy percentage as per census of 2011? Answer is Jabalpur. Question number 42. How many seats are allotted for MP in Rajya Sabha? Answer is 11 seats. Question number 43. How many times president rule has been imposed in Madhya Pradesh? Answer is 3. Question number 44. Who was the first CM of Madhya Pradesh? Answer is Ravi Shankar Shukla. Question number 45. Who was the first Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court? Answer is Justice Mr. M. Hidayatullah. Question number 46. Which rank is held by Madhya Pradesh in terms of population in the century? Answer is 5th rank. Question number 47. Which rank is held by Madhya Pradesh in terms of area in the country? Answer is 2nd. Question number 48. Largest soybean factory of Asia is in which district of Madhya Pradesh? Answer is Ujjain. Question number 49. In which of the following production MP does not hold first position? The correct option is wheat. Question number 50. Which among the following awards of Madhya Pradesh consists of highest award money? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi Award. Friends, hope you liked this session and please make sure you tell me in the comment box if the session was helpful to you. Friends, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more GK questions and best of luck for your career.